Hey there, future resident. Are you an international medical graduate, dreaming of becoming a doctor in the USA? Let's dive into the pathways that can help you achieve your goals. Obtain a medical degree, MBBS or equivalent, from a recognized medical school. First up, get your ECFMG certification. You must pass the USMLE Step 1, Step 2 CK, and Step 3 exams. It's a big step, but it's your ticket to practicing medicine in the USA. Gain real-world experience through observerships, externships, or clerkships in the US by completing the USMLE Steps 1 and 2 for clinical fellowship. Then, you can directly send your application to the directors of the specialization you are interested in. Or submit your application via IRAS, attend interviews, and rank programs to secure a residency position. Use the electronic residency application service, IRAS, to apply for residency programs. Include a strong CV, personal statement, and letters of recommendation. To know more about residency matching and application process, visit our website. Complete a residency program in the US, which can take 3 to 7 years, depending on the specialty you choose. Accredited by the Accreditation Council for Graduate Medical Education, ACGME, or other recognized accrediting bodies. Discover opportunities for doing clinical externship in ACGME accredited hospitals.